Assalamualaikum friends, here is 10 circle logo and badge element ready print to use. Okay, these file in PSD RGB, that's mean red, green and blue are black, and CMYK color, that's mean these files are printable, not a digital screen like LCD in laptop, mobile or computer. And here RGB, that's mean for this file preview in LCD, mobile or LCD computer, anything. Okay, that's mean printable, that's mean a digital preview. PSD for Photoshop file, and here is a PSCI for Adobe Illustrator. JPG for preview. PNG you can use in mobile phone or other Android devices like tablet. Okay, enter. Here you can change color, double click, select any color. You see here is red, oh sorry, red. Or you can apply gradients overlay. You see here is basic, blue, purple, pink, red. Extract this one. Our main thing is here, no apply gradients overlay. Wow, here is a drop shadow, angle, so I don't use a drop shadow. So here is a circle and I write a name in this circle. It look like a logo. Sherry. Okay, and we need a signature font like this one, and select color black. Enter. Transform. Wait. Now move here, or you can apply gradients overlay on this font or text. Okay, so now our logo is ready 70%. Make more better in select drop tool or write any other thing in this circle. So wow, select anyone and you can change or adjust very easy. Okay, select this one, 61, 62, 62 is here, so you can change one by one. I hope these tutorials are useful for you. Subscribe our channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.